What's going on, family? I have a beautiful home I believe you need to see. It's in Indian Trail, North Carolina, and you will not be disappointed. Come with me. It's by MI Homes, and if you're not familiar with Indian Trail, please go ahead and check out this video right here where I break down the different suburbs surrounding Charlotte, North Carolina. Without further ado, let's go inside and look at this Dearborn floor plan, which you can get for under $400,000 right now. Now, this floor plan is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and it's just under 2,000 square feet. Let's go inside and take a look. When you come in, you have this flex area. They have it set up as an office. You can use it as a formal dining room, a study, even a kids area. Now, this community is Stallings Brook in Indian Trail, North Carolina. Indian Trail is located in Union County, and Union County is known for their schools. They're excellent schools right here in North Carolina. You will see the open floor plan. Now, this Dearborn floor plan, they have one listed right now for $389 and some change, and it can go all the way up to $430, $435, depending on the options and upgrades. But this is an absolute steal at $389 and some change. You do get a drop zone that goes to the 2-car garage, and your half bath tucked away from the eating area. Nice outdoor living. In the kitchen, you do see the granite countertops, tons of counter space. You have cabinets, you have pantries, you have tons of storage. This floor plan, I really like the downstairs, but I must say, once you get upstairs, you'll see why this is one of my favorite floor plans in this community. Now, they do have an Erie floor plan, which is a little bit larger. It's about 2,500 square feet. And I'll share that in another video. But let's go upstairs and check out the second floor of the Dearborn. When you get upstairs, you have a large loft area, perfect for entertaining. Some people move down to the Carolinas and are kind of confused about the loft, like what to do with this space. I personally use it for that's where the kids play. They don't play downstairs. They don't have their toys out. They use it upstairs. It's tucked away. Guests can't see it. And most importantly, I don't really see it. This is bedroom number 1. We just left the laundry room. This is the general bathroom upstairs with the dual vanity sinks. Now, if you're interested in this community or this home or anywhere in North or South Carolina, please feel free to reach out to my team and I. We are here to help and to assist you and to be your real estate advisors throughout your transaction. You need a dedicated professional looking out for your interest. And when you go into these new home communities, it is free for you. There's no charge for you. So there's absolutely no reason for you not to take advantage and get somebody on your side to look over things and not just take things that the sales rep say as true. There's different inspections and things you need to look out for. I have other videos where it talks about the horrors of new construction, and you can avoid a lot of that by just having a quality trained professional not anybody. You need somebody trained and familiar with new construction that can help you avoid the pitfalls. We're in the owner's suite. Beautiful tile shower. Again, dual vanity sinks. You do have a linen closet in here and a nice size owner's bedroom. Please be sure to like this video and share it with others. And if you're liking this, please subscribe to the page. There will be more communities, more homes, and just more information about the Carolinas that I'm going to disseminate. I'm going to share on this channel. I appreciate you rocking with me. I'm Sir Ashley. Talk soon.
Talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes. Don't let it fall.